Today I'll be sharing a face cleaner video with you all. So if you like the video, do subscribe to my channel and do please share and like and comment. So the first step for the face cleaner is cleaning the face with a cream. This is from Vadi Herbals Skin Polishing Diamond Cleansing Cream. Now I'll spread all over my face. Now I'll cleanse my face with this massager, with this cleansing brush. I have some water in a bowl. I'll dip the tip of the brush in the water and start cleaning my face. This is from Himalaya, I guess. So I'll massage this a few minutes. 1 to 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes is enough. I'm done. Now I'll wipe off the cream with the help of a wet tissue, or you can use any kind of face towel, a softer one. Today's cleanup video includes a steaming method. You can heat water in a separate pan and just put a towel over your head and take the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. I have a steamer. I'll be using that steamer. Uh, so this is the steamer I'll be using today. I'm done with my stemming method. As you can see, I'm it's sweaty. Uh, if you have extremely sensitive skin, either you can skip this step, or like me, I'm not taking the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. I've taken for, I guess, only 2 to 3 minutes. So I have a little bit of sensitive skin, and my skin is of combination skin type. Combination skin type is a skin type where your T zone area is oily, and apart from the other parts of your face, which is dry. So now I'll be using a scrubber. This is from this is from Good Vibes Softening Face Scrub. This is tea tree. Uh, this is for exfoliation. Okay, before that, as I have steamed my face, I'll before exfoliating with scrub, I'll just go on with cleaning up my blackheads. They're not much. I'll just clean it up. This is a blackhead remover. You can use this wherever you have blackheads. Like many people have blackheads in their T-zone area, apart from their nose, their lower chin area. So you can just. I don't have all these things. I only have a little bit on my nose. So I'm just trying to clean it up with this cleaner, uh, blackhead cleaner. I'm done. Now I'll start on with my exfoliation. As it is a self cleanup, we are not doing facial. Uh, just make sure using the scrub for 2 to 3 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes is enough. I'll take some water. I'll scrub my face for only 1 to 2 minutes. Reach out. Don't scrub just beneath your under eyes, like under the waterline area of your eyes. avoid that area and scrub because the under eye area is a very sensitive skin. Now pat dry your face with a soft towel. Now I'll be using activated charcoal face masks from Good Vibes. Make sure you don't talk while applying the face mask or after applying the face mask, as it will loosen the skin elasticity. Catch you after 15 minutes. I'll be using a lip scrub. I've already applied it. This is from M Caffeine Naked and Raw Lip Scrub. Now I'll be applying, after scrubbing my lips, I'll be applying a lip mask. It's in the flavor. It's okay. This is from NY by Purple. Keep it for 15 minutes. Catch you after 15 minutes again. Okay, so my lip mask, I've done with my lip mask. Now I'll be applying a face sheet mask. This is from L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid face mask. So 15 minutes is over. Now I'll remove my face mask. It has got so many excess products. I'll just take it out like this and just apply it on my face. Just give it a good massage. So we are almost done. Now I'll be using a toner. I'll be directly applying it to my face. It has a spray nozzle. Either you can use cotton and apply it. This is Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner from Good Vibes. Already we have applied a serum mask, so basically we don't need to apply a separate serum for as we have used other sheet mask, but I'll be using this as I have cleaned up after many days, so like deep clean. So this is from Good Vibes in Instaglow Face Serum Uptan. I'll only take a few drops, just a second. Just drop So now massage it nicely with a very light handed. Okay, now this is a eye mask, or you can say it a eye gel. First, I'll apply it with my fingers. Now, like roll it on, just for a few seconds. This prevents puffiness, dark circles, and tiredness. Now the final stage. Okay, this is from Alps Goodness, caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E under eye gel. This is also from Purple. Now I'll be applying a night gel cream. This is basically a DIY night gel cream. I have used Jeju aloe vera along with that some essential oils, rose water, vitamin E capsules. That's how I made it. Now I'll be applying it. Okay, now if you are have done the cleanup process in the daytime, don't forget to use sunscreen. Give it a good massage. And the last step, uh, I'll be using my lip balm. This is from Vadi Herbals Blueberry Lip Balm. This is active bio repair formula. Okay, so that's it. We are done for today. Uh, this cleanup process is complete, and that's how my face is looking right now.